Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
First, open Yuzu and enable verbose logging in the settings menu. Keep logging enabled while you reproduce the crash or bug. Reproduce the exact steps that trigger the problem so logs capture relevant events. While reproducing, note your Yuzu version, GPU model, GPU driver version, and operating system. These details help developers identify environment-specific issues. Do not close Yuzu immediately after reproducing the issue. Wait a few seconds to ensure logs flush to disk properly. Next, open Yuzu's log directory from the Help menu or by browsing the Yuzu folder. Identify the main Yuzu log files, typically named Yuzu, log or similar, and take any crash or graphics logs present. Also collect the shader cache, config files, and the most recent save files if available. Copy these files into a single folder so nothing gets missed. Check timestamps to confirm you collected the newest files related to your recent reproduction. Do not edit the log files before uploading. Finally, compress the collected files into a single zip archive for easy uploading. Create a concise report listing exact reproduction steps, Yuzu version, GPU model, driver version, and operating system. Mention any error messages, crash times, or specific game names involved in the report. Upload the ZIP and your report to the appropriate channel, like a GitHub issue or the official Discord support category. Monitor the thread and respond promptly to developer follow-up questions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.